Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's dish, the exquisite Brinjal Kofta, is sure to tantalize your palate. The eggplant or brinjal is one of the most versatile vegetables in Indian cuisine, and the traditional way of making koftas is to mince meat or vegetables that are seasoned, shaped and cooked to perfection. With our star ingredient brinjal, we are giving it a twist. Let's get started. We select the freshest brinjal and slit them into quarters to check for any imperfections. Apply some mustard oil on its surface to easily peel off the skin after grilling. Then, on a roti grill, char it on medium to high flame to imbue a smoky flavor and make it juicy and mashable. Using a fork, slowly scrape off the charred skin and remove the stump. Put it in a strainer for 15 minutes to drain any excess liquid. For the kofta mixture, take the grilled brinjal pulp, add chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, chopped green capsicum, chopped garlic and chopped coriander leaves. For the spices, add roasted cumin powder, Kashmiri chili powder, chili flakes, ground black pepper and salt. For the binding, add some breadcrumbs and a whole egg. Stir and mix all the ingredients together. Moisten your palms and fingers with water before shaping. And then take a small handful of Brinjal Kofta mixture, or as much as you like, and roll them into balls and then flatten their sides so they cook evenly when shallow fried. Do the same with the rest of the mixture. For shallow frying on low flame, take refined oil in a frying pan. Once the oil is hot, gently lay the koftas onto the pan. After 30 seconds of frying on one side, flip them over so that they can maintain their shape. And then on low flame, let them fry for 5 minutes. Remember, in order for the kofta mixture to be cooked through, it must be fried over low flame. Finally, flip them over again and fry for 5 minutes. They are ready when they are fried to a golden brown hue, crisp on the outside, tender and flavorful on the inside. Take them off on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. Serve this hot with some spicy mayo and roti or any bread of your choice. A Brinjal Kofta is not just food, it's an experience. It's a testament to beauty of Indian cuisine where every ingredient has a purpose and every flavor tells a story. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, share, subscribe for more. Until then, happy cooking!